Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an automatic mirror folding module in the 2022 Honda Jazz. And for that, you're going to have to remove the driver side door card first. You have one screw which is inside the door handle area and the other screw is inside this master window control panel. So let's remove that. To remove the master window control panel, you need to start prying from this end here. Use a flat blade screwdriver or something similar to pry open the master window control panel from the corner and work your way all the way to the end and pry open the panel. Once you have pried open the panel, you can simply pull it out from its location and it would come out. Now there are two connectors, one for the mirror controls and the other one is for the window controls. There's a tab on both the connectors. Press the tab and pull the connector out. And that is how you remove the window control panel. Notice the Phillips head screw here. You need to remove it. Keep the screws safely. Now use a trim removal tool to undo all the retainer clips that is holding this door card. There are 11 of them in total. Start your way from a corner and work your way all around as you detach the door card. Once all the clips are done, your door card is out. I also have a mirror folding mechanism which a good friend and a senior got it from Japan. I specifically got this for the Honda Fit and hoping that it will fit properly in my Jazz here. So these are the contents they have provided. There's some instruction manual printed in Japanese like you can see here. But it's basically a plug and play device. You have the connectors, you have a circuit. This is that circuit with a double-sided tape pre-applied, and you also have a prying tool which they have given, neat cable ties. So this is that wiring harness. So it's all plug and play. Let's connect it and see if it works. So the first thing is we need to find an appropriate place for securing this box here. So first what we'll do is we'll connect this 16-pin connector to the box here. And the next thing is to do the various connections. So the gray one goes without saying, it connects here. And this one, this gray connector, this will go to your master window controls. This is the fuse, so we'll leave it be. This one is where it goes to the mirror. So there you go, we've connected this unit here. This one, it will connect to the mirror switch. Additionally, you have this cable right here. You have to remove this and connect it to this cable here. That is done, and we will connect this one here. So that is done. So all connectors done. We need to now properly secure the harness so it doesn't dangle like this. We have cable ties. We'll use the cable ties. Okay, so I have secured the cables as much as I could. Now what we'll do is we'll secure the door card back, and before tightening the screws we'll do a quick test to see if it is working. Okay, now let's try locking the car. There you go. The mirror folding is working fine. Now let's try unlocking it. There we go. It's folding. Guys, we had to mount the unit here because this door card was not able to close properly. Now let's try securing it. Now to install the door card back, align the door card's retainer clips with the slots and give it a firm push, and the door card would lock itself in place. After the door card is installed, secure the Phillips screw at the window controls area. Plug the connectors of the window controls and the mirror controls. Secure the window control panel by sliding it and slotting it into the armrest. And finally, secure the Phillips screw in the door handle area. So that'll be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. Bye and take care.